Hey guys, Josh here, bringing you a video today. I'm actually doing the restoration project right now. I'm going before I actually let you guys see this right now. The body's right here, right next to me. Before I let you see it, what the progress I have got done. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button. And also, if you like my other videos, go ahead and watch them and enjoy. Now, I had said before I was going to do this as a restoration project, and I did charge up the battery, and this actually went a little bit faster. I did clocked out for about 10 miles an hour, 15 miles per hour, somewhere around there. Well, here's the thing. That was fast, but that's not fast enough because the car that we're going to put that on is going to be so heavy, so it will not work. So that's why I decided to use my other one that I got right here. And I did some work with it recently, but I got to get some other stuff on it done and figure out a way to attach that stuff to the car before I can do anything else. But now, I did took out the exhaust tips. They were just laying in there. They weren't exactly that bad in there. So, put the screws in there. And also, I even did took out the back tail lights. And I even took out the windows. So this is what the back of the car looks like now. I did took off some stickers. I got to stand that little part right there. You guys can't see that, but actually you can a little bit. But I got to get some sandpaper and sand some of this down because plastic would not be good. And I got to take these little reflectors out. That's everywhere right there on the car. So I got to take that out. But I can't take the headlights out because they're both connected together with one circuit. So I can't do that. Now, if I was able to take out the headlights for like just like the regular tail lights was, I can do that, but I will not be able to put them, to take them out, because there's no screws holding them in. They're just basically hold on in there. But there's no way for me to do that. So here's the thing I'm thinking about doing. I gotta take out some of these little chrome inlays right here. I gotta take out these right here. And I got to take out these, yeah, I could take them off on camera. I almost got it. Yeah, I almost got it. I broke it. Well, matter of fact, I got an idea. I got super glue. That can be fixed. That can be fixed. Oh yeah, that can be fixed. I'm not gonna freak out over nothing. That thing can be fixed. I just have to figure out where it exactly goes. There it goes, right there. Yeah, it goes like that. So I'll just set this aside and I'll re-glue that back on. Now, I want to try to take the other one out with a screwdriver. Let's see. Hopefully I won't stab myself in the thigh with it. Actually, I don't think this will come out because it's actually welded in there. It's not exactly Oh, wait. I think I got it. Think I got it. Dang on it. If you guys wonder what that noise was, it wasn't. I didn't fart or nothing. It was something that fell. Come on. Hang on, guys. This is going to take a little while. Whoa. Well, that actually went a lot more smoother than the other one. So, we got the mirrors off. So basically, this part of the car is done and ready for sand and paint. Here's another thing too. I don't know how exactly I'm going to be able to get these stickers off. Because you see right here, they're actually starting to tear off. And I can't put this in water. I can't submerge this with water. I have to see if I got some sticker removal. If I don't, have that, I'm just going to have to think of something else. Now the stickers I'm thinking about using for this is I'm thinking about getting maybe a nice paint job on here. Yeah, see, they're not coming off. There is a way I could take these stickers off, but I just don't know how. Yeah, they're not going to come off. Well, shoot. Well, this project here is going to take me a little bit because right after when the DeLorean comes and we start building it, this is actually going to be set on the side. But what I might do is I might just sand them off. I might just do that. I don't even see no flaws on the hood. The guy said it was on the hood. But the only one I actually see is on this. And it looks like someone just scratched around on there. But I want to go ahead and set this to the side and got that part done. And got that part over with. Don't have to worry about that now. But we got the main parts off. So that's pretty good. So I want to put this in my little cuppy holder. And I will fix that. I will fix that mirror. And put this on top of here. Now, I want to talk to you guys a little bit more about this little work area. Now, here, all of this right here will be so cleaned up. And plus, here's going to be... This is going to have something on it. Now, up here, that's where my light's going to go so I can actually see in here. But I got to save I got to wait until I get paid Friday to go to Walmart and get me a light. So, hopefully tomorrow I get something in. But this is basically what I pretty much got going with on the axle. Pardon me. Now, as for these things are always fighting with me. Right there. Now, what I'm thinking about doing is I'm not going to modify the back axle. I just have to get this part back into here, and that part just came right back off. And that part came back off. And now I'll put the front one back on. Now, I did take a look online to see how much it will cost me to get me another body if I end up wanting to put this thing back together. It's only going to cost me about $45 to get a whole new one. And I gotta get some double-sided tape, and I gotta go to the store and get a whole bunch of stuff. Now, what I did, where is it? I threw it somewhere. I don't know what happened to it. Let's see, what happened to it? Well, anyway, oh, here it is, right in front of my face. I did this right here. It has all the holes in it, but I was going to put that on the DeLorean because, one, it's a little bit stronger, but see, more and more and more I do that, it's kind of like Titanic. And the holes are exactly uneven. So, oh. There it goes. That's why. See, you guys, it's a little bit uneven. So that's why I scrapped this. Because that didn't work, because I was trying to base it on this right here. But this part here is all going to be cut off. And this here is going to be taken off too. But I gotta figure out how I'm going to do all this and put all these parts on the new DeLorean. But I won't be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and conclude this video right now, you guys. Hope you guys like it. And catch you guys next time.